Suck your mother, man. Bumbuck like there, man. Now found out some boxing game for go on to Jamaica and now put on some gloves and get fit thump out some of the teeth in a pussy. You don't know? Or some boxing blood clotting. One no enough up and go on like on a red bro. And brother, woman follow up woman for me. The man no follow up man for me. That I say a batty man. That me know. I be a batty man, me know call up Ali name. Batty man. If you're a batty man, you go call her name. I tell I even me this. What the fuck you try this man baby mother for batty boy? How you man? Pussy, you know you're ugly. You're not looking at me all the time. Every minute you take a shoe up camera and do video. If you're a bumbuckler good looking pussy, you're ugly like a skin.
Guys, three rows, guys. 3 rows. It's starting.
Three more.
Guys, 3 rows. Let me go to 3 rows.
No woman if you follow no man pan up, brother. None of this thing with no woman pan up, brother.
One more, guys. One more.
This year, bro. Ali never look for you this year.
One more rows, guys. One more rows.
Me see you try this way already and will laugh over that. And me see you constantly do it.
One more.
One buckler there, man.
Jesus, thank you.
Guys, one other person send a rose. One other person. That is it. Me not depend that with no man at this moment, bro. I'm gonna stand up and take that and take us laughing and the whole fucking media like up.
Thank you, guys.
And I run on the comment, boy. Yeah, man, this and that, bro. Go suck on the mother, bro. Every day you no bring with them pussy.
Guys, use up your life
I'm gonna tell you this, you know. Every day you no go on like a wheel, no one bring up on the media. Me notice you no text it for nobody else for the media pussy. Me go tell you this, you know. I go see we bumbuckler rising, bro. You go see we rise for the media till you no can't fucking believe, brother. Member son usually jar down bumbuckler Jaden and the rest of them, bro. Go suck on the mother, bro, and see them a blood clot, do the bro. You hear that? You see what them a do, bro? Rise, pussy. A una man, una go see we rise, bumble. If you say every day, una go see we in a clothes and say all clothes, pussy, una go see brand too. Bumbuckler, do
3
man.
donut, maybe go no 3.
Fuck do man. Guys, use on donut there, please. Donut, guys. Donuts, please. Come bust on donut there, guys. 14 seconds.
Guys, come buy donut, guys.
You don't even know, brother. Bex more while when a man try this bumbuckler woman for this. Come on, thank you so much. I don't want a man to come on the media this no man unless you're a batty man, bro. If you're a batty man, Ronila. If you're a batty man, me can't say nothing, bro. But you can't be a straight man and try this man baby mother pussy.
Thank you.
You hear me I tell you no? I want to know, dog. We not do too much now, bro. If a woman come in and say this, Ali, me can't say nothing, bro, because a woman a mouth that dog. But when it come to a man now, bro, man, batty boy, you know, woman. Me never see you with a girl on the media yet, you know. Only somebody me soon try a portrait, you know. Me know say Rebel now look for you and give a pussy in a batty boy. Rebel will never look for you and give a pussy in a, so Rebel just not play along in a batty boy with you, you know. They say how fast you drop you when she see blood class with star red. Cause suck your mother. How you, man? Me never see you with a girl at batty boy. Me never see you with a girl yet. Pussy. Never. I want to you, man. Go suck your mother, man. Hello, what? Bumbuckler, Ali, bro. You know, when a boy a bumbuckler company media, this my bumbuckler woman, brother. I want to know that. Fuck do no, man.
Jada.
A rebel could have really look for ugly pussy like a girl you pussy. Eh? How are you, man? I'm here, man, brother. I'm in a business who want right with me and nothing. I want to understand me I say now. Now, man, now if you come on the media, unless the woman do them something, bro, I'll never adjust the youth there yet.
Thank you, Jada.
You ever adjust the youth there?
No.
So what the fuck him a try this every time? And you're a man, bro, go figure out if you're a batty man or you're straight dog, cause you talk like a big pussy girl, and you behave like a big pussy girl, and you dance like a big pussy girl. So go figure out your fucking gender, batty boy. Go figure out your pronouns, batty boy. If you're a blood clot, him, she, or they, or them, pussy. That if you go figure out.